like this. Okay, list of game engines you'll get. Okay, 4A engine, 4A frame, adventure game interpreter. Okay, like this, there are so many game engines are there. See, hundreds of game engines, not one, two. Some are 2D, some are 3D, some are for game puzzles, some are for so strategy based games. Okay, different. A little bit of difference will be there, but these are all the things to create games only. These are all things to create games only. You explore it in the future. You explore it one after the other. Okay, don't stick on to one software. But we will start here from Unity. Clear? So Unity, Unreal, these two are in boom. Unity is a free version, open source. Okay, anybody can download, anybody can install. So if you have good computer, little bit, I mean, average computer also fine. Maybe 8 GB, 16 GB RAM. Graphic card is compulsory. Not inbuilt one. Little bit out. 650 Ti, 650 edition above, NVIDIA 650 above, or Quadra, or AMD Radeon. Okay, graphic cards are there. You can install it easily. Okay, not a problem. Minimum you check it. Okay, minimum how much you needed for Unity. So you check it. Then okay, these are all the I told. These are all the game related soft engine game creating engines. Okay, so check it. See, hundreds above are there. Okay, in the future you explore it. Fine. In schools also they are giving in schools very simple game making things. In schools they are giving for sixth standard, seventh standard students also. Okay, they are giving it. Then how? Okay. Hello, hello. My internet is so speed. Okay, my internet. One second. I have okay torrent also open. I'm closing the torrent too. Okay, my internet is so faster. Clear? So how to first? Okay, how to install Unity? Okay, Unity. Okay, just type Unity in Google. Okay, here download Unity Pro today. Okay, real Unity. Here download Unity is then. So you click on this. This is add. Okay, this is the real one. Okay, go inside it. Okay, start a free. One second, back. Download Unity. Go inside it. Download for Windows. See, download for Windows. Download for Mac. Download for Linux. Is there na? Okay, you click on it and download for Windows. This is Unity Hub. It's not Unity. It's Unity Hub. Understood? You can install Unity 2022. You can install 19. You can install 20. Okay, 18 version you can install by using Unity Hub. Okay, so this is Unity and this is Unity Hub. See this? One second. All are joined. All are joined. Just need confirmation for attendance. I can't. I can't get. And how many? I don't know how many students. Huh? Fine. I told you. Okay, how to download. So download for Windows. This is Unity Hub. After downloading Unity Hub, you should install Unity Hub. Okay, this is Unity Hub. So open it. I'm opening. Okay, like this it will be there. Unity Hub. In this I installed 2022.3 and 2019. You just install the latest version. Okay, no need of 19 because I am doing some experiments and all in the older version. That's why I installed it. You install just latest version of 2022 point this one. Okay, you can add here. Okay, see here it is showing. Here it is showing. Just select it. Hello. Any others they are hearing? Hello. For others it's
Yes,
okay.
sir. Yes, sir. I can hear you, sir.
Yes, sir, we
Hello.
can hear you.
Yes.
So maybe your internet is problem. Your internet has slow or something else. Okay, your speaker. Okay, check it. Okay, please check it. See this one. Okay, after installing the hub, okay, just select it and click next. Okay, okay, install. This is the easiest way. And one more thing, add modules are there. Na? In this compulsory, you should give these two. Android SDK and NDK tools and OpenJDK. Okay, it is default. It will take not a problem. By mistake, if it is not switched on, you switched on and give next. Understood? Default it will take. If you are using iOS phone, switch on this one and do it. If you are using Android phone, switch on this one and doing it. I am using Android phone. Okay, so I switched on it and I am using it for even AR/VR projects. Even for game, if you want to export your game to mobile phone, okay, please switch on it and okay, please switch on it and okay, download and install. These two are compulsory. Clear? So after one more thing, okay, one more is okay. So mail means your with your mail ID, you just log in with your mail ID. Okay, here sign in, sign out is then log in with your mail ID. This is one thing you have to do. Okay, so registration, what you call sign up or registration will be then. Okay, this is one. Then one more thing, okay, so while you are adding after creating a project, means while creating a project here, license error will come. Okay, while creating a project, license error, the first time you won't get that problem. If anybody will get that license error problem, okay, sorry, okay, if you get that license error problem, okay, just you should go inside that and create that license error manually. Okay, how to do, I will show you. Okay, manage license. Okay, license here. Okay, license manager. See, this one I did for personal sake. Activate new license. Give Unity personal. Okay, I'm not earning the money. Okay, I'm just using for my own sake, my individual sake, and done. Okay, this step you have to do. Okay, license manager, this one. Okay, this step you have to do. Clear? This one, this is your first day, first day's assignment. What is your first day's assignment? Downloading, how to download hub and even this latest version of 2022 of Unity. Then sign up. Okay, so then license manager and activate new license. Okay, activate new license, this one you have to give. Okay, clear till here? Understood everybody? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm
Yes, sir.
closing hub. I'm closing hub because my Unity is open. This one 2020.3, 2020.3 version, okay, of Unity. I opened. This is the latest one. Okay, I opened this. Clear? Okay, fine. When you opened, the user interface will be like this. Maybe dark mode will be there. You can change to light mode. Okay, this is light mode of light mode means bright color. Bright color. Dark mode means dark color will be there. Okay, same like Maya. Okay, if you are good at Maya, okay, it is same like Maya means navigation. Okay, so Alt left mouse button to rotate. Okay, to rotate. Then Alt middle mouse button to pan. Okay, don't alt, don't use alt, only middle mouse button, only middle mouse button to pan. Okay, then scrolling to zoom in, zoom out, scrolling to zoom in, zoom out. See, then alt left mouse button also to zoom in, zoom out. This one clear? Okay, alt left mouse button. Okay, only middle mouse button, then zoom in, zoom out, alt right click or scrolling. This one clear? This one clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Main camera and direction light by default it will be there when you created the first scene. Main camera and direction light it will be there when you create the first scene. Okay, before going to do that, you have to create a project. Okay, project will take some time. New project is enough. Okay, so 3D, 2D, okay, high universal render is enough. So we are doing 3D project means you have to select 3D. You are doing suppose Angry Bird, Candy Crush, then Fruit Ninja, this type of games 2D. Then you are doing PUBG, Call of Duty, Ghost Protocol, Free Fire. Okay, you have to select 3D. Understood? And this one, some set means ready-made some sets that it will give. Okay, means one room, two side wall and one room, table, everything it will give by default. Okay, karting micro game. This is something like that. Hill climber is that type of game. 2D platform micro games. Okay, very small games will be there. HD sampler auto showroom. Okay, so means it's not. It's a preset. It's a preset. Then mobile 3D, mobile 2D. Okay, AR VR projects here. Only AR. This is VR. Okay, augmented reality, virtual reality. Okay, third person setup will be there. This is Lego micro game is there. Ready using. Then first person setup also there. See here, all the presets are there. Okay, I am taking 3D. I am taking 3D. Okay, so I'm giving the name. So first class, first class. Okay, so it is saving in Unity. Okay, give okay, more space needed. I'm saying okay. So here I have 30 GB of space, and in that I created this more space needed. Okay, make sure okay this folder should have more space because we are in adding so many things. We are adding packages. We are adding what you call sets, assets, libraries, textures, so many things we are doing. So more space should be there, 100 GB like that, 50 GB, more than 50 GB, it should be there. Okay, create it. Create it. It will take some time. Okay, it will take some time. Even downloading, installing also I can explain you, but it will take time. Okay, that's why I already started. I kept ready and I'm starting the class. Okay, otherwise it will take so much time. So when you start creating a project, means empty, and there is no assets will be there. There is no package managers will be there. Asset management here, asset store and package manager, everything will be empty. You have to add all those things. Okay, let it create one more project. It will create. Hmm. So in this, okay, these two are important. I'm saying asset store and package manager. These two are very, very important. And within that time, okay, we'll create how to create some basic presets like sphere, cube, rectangle, what do you call it, prism, torus, this type of things. How to create, we'll learn. So right click here in the empty space. This is outliner. Look like outliner in Maya or 3ds Max. Okay, right click, same like that. 3D objects. See here, 3D objects, FX, particle system, light, okay, audio things, okay, audio related things, video related things. Then UI means these buttons, you can give, the slider, energy level, then your life, your score, badges, okay, everything will be here. Then this is an Euphoria engine. I'm doing some AR VR projects. I'm using Euphoria engine. By default, you don't have this one. By default, when it will create a project, you don't have that one. Okay, Euphoria. I have to install it. Clear? Camera will be there default. Okay, these are all the things. So I'll create sphere. Yes, sphere is created. See this? Okay. Sir, navigation in Max and Maya, WER we are using, na? WERQ. W for move, E for rotation, R for scale. Same here. Okay, no changes. WER. Okay, see how easy it is. WER. Okay, you can scale. Understood this one? Understood? See,
Yes, sir.
WER. Okay, you can scale it out. Camera, if you scale also, no effect will be there. Yeah. So this is sphere, cube. Okay, you have cube. Sir, shall we do modeling in this? Little bit modeling, not very basic modeling we can do, not like a character modeling, set modeling. Okay, you can't do here. Everything you should bring from 3D software. Everything, whatever things you are bringing, you should bring from 3D software. Otherwise, you have one more technique called asset store. Okay, asset store is a very beautiful. It was, some are paid, some are free. Okay, even free itself a super beautiful assets you can bring. Okay, very interesting it is. So it will go to, okay, means internet. Okay, this is your asset store. You should log in. I told you you should log in with your Gmail ID. You can log in. Okay, so what you want to download? Okay, so what you want to download? Maybe forest, forts, hut, anything. Okay, so forest. I'll type forest. Okay, so click here. Okay, you'll get $50. Okay, $50, $39. See so how beautiful it is. So beautiful. Even 2D style. 2D style it is there. Okay, cartoon style. Whatever games you want to do, you can download. Sir, is free is not there, so you can give free option also. Popularity wise, rating, price low to high. Even free is there. Where is free button? Free. Pricing, free assets. Okay, so in Flipkart it will be here, na? Flipkart and Amazon, it is at the right side. Okay, that's it. Okay, now this all free. See, amazing, this is so good. So click on this one. Okay, so good. See this, and download it. Okay, open in Unity, download it and you use. Okay, this one however you want. See, only trees and the grass and textures, this terrain textures, trees, grass, mountains will be there. No hut, nothing. Okay, if you want hut, fort, anything, castle, castle or fort, you type it. Okay, castle or fort, and go here and type free 55 is there. Okay, castles and fort, you'll get it. See here. Okay, we'll see it in new package. Okay, this is a new one opened. This is the old one I opened before. This is a new one. Okay, yeah, fine. So cube is done. Cube. Then I'm creating so capsule. Control Z. Name it took different name. Yeah, capsule. Here W. Move. This is capsule. Then cylinder. Okay, then plane surface. Okay, plane surface we need so many times. Okay, cube we need, capsule we need. Okay, so everything is important. Okay, not one. Okay, quad is also same like plane surface. It's an image plane. Okay, it's an image plane. Quad is an image plane. You can add texture faster to this. Alpha, by default alpha will be there. Okay, it is there here. Quad image plane. It's a card in Nuke. In Nuke we call it as card. In Maya it's image plane. In 3ds Max it's an image plane. Okay, quad. Text, text mesh pro. Okay, you have to import some ready presets. Okay, for text mesh pro. Okay, you will get textures. Okay, for canvas learning, for okay, when we are learning in canvas na, okay, creating panels, windows, okay, UI UX, at that time I'll tell you even superb text effects are there in asset store. We'll use that one and we'll create okay, good looking text. Okay, at that time text I want to cancel and delete. Okay. A ragdoll. Ragdoll means it's a predefined rig of a human rig. Ragdoll. Okay. So pelvis, left hip, right hip, predefined rig. It's a rig. So we have to connect it faster. Okay. This is a ragdoll. Ready rig. Then terrain. Okay, so we are working terrain, the mountains and all we are doing here. Mountains, full land we are doing here. So now I'll tell you, okay, what is the process of making games. Okay, you know, I think you know almost, but even though I'll tell you what is the process of making game. There are different ways of making it. One is a fixed area. Okay, this is huge area. It's not smaller. Okay, it's a fixed area. Character, okay, start from here. The hero character is the protagonist. The protagonist character will start from here. He is running somewhere, and when he reaches the destination, level is over. The game is over. Okay. In between, we'll put all the obstacles, maybe villains, creatures, who is stopping him to reach here. Okay. That is one type of game. That is one type of game. Second type of game, the character will start here. Okay, the character will start here. He'll run so here, and there, and he has to collect some 8 coins, 8 mushrooms, or something else. Okay, that type of things. So he has to collect all those things until he collected 6. Okay, game is not over. 7, game is not over. When he collect the 8th one, the game will be over. So, but fixed area only. He will be in this area only. So then, when he collected 8th coin, so game is over. This is a different type of game. Understood this one? Hello? How we are
Yes.
doing game? So
Yes, sir.
okay. So this is terrain. So I'll tell you how to paint all these terrains and all. So go here, rise and lows. Okay, easy to paint terrains. So brush size, same like Photoshop. Brush size bigger, smaller. Okay. See, you can paint it. Okay, so it's a different class is there. Another class is there. How to paint terrains. Okay, so we'll create like this. Okay, story will start here. Story will happen in the center of this one. So mountains are border, sake of borders. However you will rotate, mountain should appear. Okay, for that sake, okay, we'll put mountains at the borders. Okay, it should look like a circle one, but it's not circle. It's a quad. Okay, so it's a quad one. Okay, so but however you rotate, okay, mountains will be like this. Clear? This one clear? Terrain more we are using. We are doing the games on terrain only, not on plane surface. Someone join 1 second. Yeah. So this is terrain, very important. I'll tell you, okay, 1 or 2 classes fully about terrains. Okay, then afterwards. Trees. Okay, so tree. I'm not using this tree. This is single tree. It's a prefab actually, but I'm not using this tree. I'm using terrain inside trees. Press F to focus. See this tree, L system trees. Okay, so I'm not using this tree. I'll show you which tree I'm using. So go here, paint trees. Here is a tree. Okay, edit trees, add trees. Okay, we have trees here. See this tree. Double click. So it is added. So now paint wherever you want. See, this trees I'm using. Sir, this is looking like realistic. I want 2D style. Yeah, you download it from Asset Store. Otherwise, you create from Max or Maya. Okay, whichever is easy for you. Okay, you create there. See, understood this one? Understood? Okay. Okay. So terrain, I'm deleting. This terrain tree is done. Wind zone. Wind zone is some one capsule type of thing will come. Okay, in this area only. Okay, means with that trees and all you can move more faster, slower, everything. But no need of adding this one in terrain trees. It will be there default. It will be there. Just you can adjust how much you want. Okay. So this one you can give directional spherical. Spherical means one second. Okay, sizes size 0.2. I'll give 0.2, 0.2, 0.2. Okay, wind zone. So in this area, trees only will move. Okay, apart from that, trees won't move. Means outside of this spherical, trees won't move. Okay, inside this, whichever trees are there, only those trees will move. Okay, so we can give like that. Sometimes helicopter will come. So in this area only, it should influence those trees. The helicopter, that what we call this turbine or what do you call fan will be there. Na? That will influence trees or grass only in this area. Okay, not this one. So you can give fade out, fade in. Okay, all these things you can give. This is called wind zone. Then 3D text. Okay, text and 3D text is there. So you can use it. And from Asset Store, very beautiful texts are there. You can download and you can add. See here. Okay, so this is 3D text. Hello world. So you can change whatever you want. So Bangalore. Okay, Chennai. Okay, or any game you can give. Okay, click me, you will get a scold. Okay, so keep ready with your game concepts. Okay, so keep ready. So one of my student told, sir, I want to make a 2D game. Okay, 2D game means so one funny character will be the fat character. So he will click, wherever he'll click with the mobile phone, finger touch. Okay. So wherever he'll click that place, he will scold. He'll scold, but a very what do you call it? In slang, it's slang itself a different slang. So I thought it's a really good concept. Start doing it. So he did it, and I look so funny. Okay, so he added all the funny. Then he recorded all the voices and he added it. Okay, so that type of any new ideas are there, please you can go with that. Okay, start creating today onwards. I'll help you in all the cases. Till here understood? Till here? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now I'll create a sphere. I'm explaining all the what do you call concept, how it is going to work. Okay, user interface, how it is going to work, all these things. So coding will be there. Yeah, C hash. Okay, C hash coding needed. I'll make you easy. So ready code I'll give to you in WhatsApp group. Okay, you can take it and you can do it, and I'll explain you how to do it. But the coding, I'm not focusing coding. So whatever the topics are there, I'm focusing on it. But if you ask me, okay, so how to learn coding, I'll explain you. Okay, from integers, from float, boolean, then arrays, then for loop. Okay, all those things I'll explain to you. So I'll make you easy. Okay, so that I can assure. Fine, sir. Adding textures is difficult or easy? For this PR, I want to add a texture. Is it difficult or easy? Okay, I'll show you. So I'll go to pictures folder. If I have any pictures, see this is leather. One texture is there. I'm using it for different purpose. Here vegetable one textures is there. So first you drag drop to asset store. Okay, here is an asset store. Drag drop here. So not here. Come outside. Create one folder so it won't disturb you. Otherwise, drag drop here directly. Okay. So first drag drop into asset store like this. No, any materials. Yeah. Editor layout could not be fully loaded. This can happen when the layout contains editor's window not available in this project. Okay, so asset store, close it, and create a new folder. Okay, create. See, we can create all these things. Everything is important. Okay, material important, lens flare important. Okay, animation control. Okay, this is also important. Everything is important. Folder I'm creating. This folder. WebP don't import. Okay, only JPG, PNGs will import. Okay, keep in mind. Showing some error. One second, I'll show you. I'll check. Okay, easy. Simply drag up here and drag up onto this. It will work. Okay, some mistake it's showing. Yeah. Okay, then if I want to add any physics to this, physics means it has to fall down and it has to show some physics, real life physics, gravity, that type of things. If I want to add any physics to this, what to do here? Select that object first. Okay, quad, plane, or sphere. Select that object first. Then add component is you add the component. Click here. Okay, so back. So these are all the components you can add. So many components are there you can add. In this script, new script. Okay, new script we are using more time. New script. This one we are using to write codes. Okay, only for that ball. You can add multiple codes for this ball itself. Then another object, another code. For plane surface, another code. For cube, another code. Mushroom, another code. Okay, like that. So this is a new script, but I want to add rigid body to this. Okay, rigid body. This one. So this is a rigid body added. So play button is here. Okay, this is animation section. Okay, so play button is here. Okay, this is a game window. This is a scene window. So you are creating the game in scene window. You are checking the game in game window here. Scene window and game window, two are there. Na? Okay, now play and check. It has to fall down. Yeah, fell down. Understood this one? So stop. Escape won't work. Escape button won't work. Okay, you have to click here only. Okay, so click here. So start working. Start working. Yeah. So if it is not importing, I can drag up already which one is then I can drag up this here. So easy to add textures. Okay. One more shortcut I'll tell you. Camera shortcut, especially camera shortcut. Suppose this is the angle you want. This is the angle you want for camera. Okay. So select the camera. Control Shift F. Control Shift F. Exactly that framing will happen. Exact framing will happen. Okay. You can use the shortcut. Control Shift F. Remember or note down. Okay. Whoever wants to become gamers, not gamers means not playing. Okay. Doing. Okay. See, it is fallen. Now this camera angle came. Suppose you want go here. So you want this camera angle. Okay, first select the camera, Control Shift F. Okay, so now play and check. That sphere is out of frame. Yeah. Okay, this camera angle came. Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So outliner understood. Scene node and game node you understood. Asset store you understood. Asset store means we are going there na internet. Okay, we are going here and how to search, how to download. Okay, this one understood. So I'm closing this installation process. This one, sir, suppose this castle is an add to that preset. How to do that? Click here. Okay, click here. It will say add to my asset. Add to my asset. Okay, click here. So go to Unity. It will say okay. So go to Unity. Accept. Okay, here open in Unity. go to my asset. Okay, I'll say open in Unity. Go to my asset means big list will be there. One, okay, whatever assets I maintain in my account, na, so big list will be there. So it will be added. Anyhow, it will be added if you click this button or this button. But show me in Unity. That is the meaning of that. Okay, show me in Unity. So go to package manager. Okay, so go to package manager. These are all the assets. Okay, added. See this, but not imported. Just it is there here, not imported. I have to install, import, install, and import. I have to do it. Okay, but big size it will keep on going bigger size value 100 GB, 200 GB. It will keep on going. Okay, so adding. Okay, added to my asset. So what is the name of this one? Cartoon Castle Building Kit. Cartoon Castle Building Kit. Search here. See. Okay, Cloud Code, Cinemachine. Cinemachine is also a nice one. You want to render the output as a video, Cinemachine will use. Okay, it's a camera related thing, not a hack. Fort and Castle. Cartoon. So in my asset, okay, my asset. Cartoon. Where is Cartoon Castle? Classic Skybox. Castle Supply Kit. This one, Castle Supply Kit, I added. Okay, Classic. Conifers. Refresh. It's adding. It will take some time. Okay, Cartoon Castle Kit. See what are the things. I am in my list. It is there. Okay, these are all the things in my list. It is there. Grass Flowers Pack, superb. It is there. By seeing itself so good. Fantasy Forest Environment. See this one. Okay. VR Capture. Okay, Castle Supply Light Hut. Okay, Hut Pack. But this is not so good. This is not so good. Flooded Grounds. Okay, this is good. Sun Temple, superb. It is superb, but others will identify. This was taken from Sun Temple. I know that. Okay, others will identify easily. Okay, so that is the one problem with this one. Superb. It is really awesome, but others will identify. This was taken from that package. Okay, so use such a thing so that the other should not identify. Okay, RPG Poly. I like this one. RPG Poly. This one's so good. See. Okay. So in your account, you keep all these things ready in your account. Means this is in online. It is not offline. This is in online. When you import, download, when you download and import, then it will become offline. Understood? Sky boxes. Okay. These are all type of skies. Okay. See this one. Oh. So, sir, show me one thing how to import and adding to the scene. Okay. So this casual one, I'll do that. So re-download and import. Sorry, import. I'm not. I don't want to re-download. So like this, it is there. Import. One, you can do it from Maya or Max. Bring here. The second technique is use packages like asset store. Use asset store and create it. Yeah. So which one? Castle, right? Castle light. So prefabs. Okay, blacksmith and castle. So these are all the things. It is there. So these are all the things. Blacksmith. Okay, these are all things. Simply drag drop here or here. See, and arrange wherever you want in your scenery. Understood, everybody? Am I speed slow, fast? Internet issue, but your voice I can hear properly. Others, hello, hello, others, hello. Hmm. That is internet issue only. Okay. Yeah. Others. Hello, everybody is okay. Yeah, proper. They are saying proper, clear voice, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It's clear, sir.
Clear. Others okay. If anything is there, unmute it and talk to me. So if any doubts you have, unmute it and talk to me. Okay. So I'm saying.
Sir,
Okay. Tell me. Tell me.
sir, actually, The things in package manager has to be downloaded from Asset Store only. When we first install the Unity, there will be no things from the
No
package.
things. This one, see, when you start, it's something. It is something like what do you call a Flipkart, Amazon, something like that. In that, some are free, some are paid. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
for your learning sake, you can use free things only. Even free things itself more than enough. So, very beautiful things are the free things itself. Okay.
Okay,
And
sir.
along with that, 3ds Max and Maya, right?
Yes, sir.
So you do it model in the texturing in 3ds Max and Maya, that is fine. Otherwise, you download from some other, the CAD now, CG Trader. You download from other places and you can import also.
Okay, sir.
Clear? So
Yes,
this
sir.
this thing is free. Okay. See, my asset is there. This is in my list. This is in my account. In my list, it is there. Okay. Open in
Okay.
Unity. Click here, and it will open. But until you are not downloading and installing, like importing, okay, it won't show here. Clear?
Okay, sir.
But it will save in my E drive. It will save in my E drive. Okay, Unity. This folder it will save. This is one project. This is another project. So go inside this assets. Okay, inside this. Okay, here it will save everything. It will save here. Library. See, it will save here. Understood? Packages.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So don't make unnecessary what you call big size. Don't make it big size. Clear? If you
Yes, sir.
want, you download and install. But first time you are exploring, na, you install everything and explore. Okay, you install all these things and how beautiful it looks, na. You install, drag, drop, keep more beautiful things. You try it. Okay, explore, explore, explore. Okay, first time. Then afterwards, uninstall everything. Then make clean and proper. Don't make your system hanging, lagging, or don't make your system like that. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Understood? Oh, my suggestion. This is my suggestion. Clear. So environments. Okay, we are talking about this clouds. Okay, so how to do that? So lighting and environment section is there. Okay, we have rendering. Okay, lighting. So in this environment, so you can change. You can do changes of clouds. Okay, but by default, plain clouds will be there. I install these things from packages. I install these things. Okay, so you can change clouds however you want. Orange color, I like it because more contrast it looks. Okay, so rendering, lighting. Okay, so click here and do changes whichever you want. Okay, even water is not inbuilt. You have to download from asset store. Water also superb water is with foam with edges collision. Okay, even animation also there for water. Okay, I'll tell you even dynamics everything. I'll tell you all those things. Clear? So this one, the interface workflow. Or one more point I want to tell you. Okay, the coding part. The coding part for this PR. Okay, for this PR, I will add a new script. Okay, new script I'll add. Okay, so the name of the script is test. Okay, first class na. So test 01 I had given created. So here script is that test 01. It came here. This is test 01. It came here. It is calculating. Fine. Okay, this is the code default will be there. This is the code default. So double click this one. You will open with Visual Studio, Visual C++, Visual C++, one window will open. But I installed this one Notepad++. This one Notepad++ I installed because I'm by previously 10 years onwards I am coding here in this platform only. Okay, Notepad++. Okay, it's free version. Okay, free only. I install this one. So now if I double click, it will open with Notepad++. But if you double click this one, Visual Studio Plus it will open. Okay, that is also good. Okay, you can use it. This one, why I installed, I can write Python, I can write C hash, C code, anything, everything I can write in this. Okay, that is one, what you call, advantage. Okay, so go here and type whatever things you want. Okay, so whatever thing. And if any already predefined function is there, suppose, okay, get UI, suppose get UI, suppose. So if that predefined function is there, it will colors it will change. Understood? So it will say, okay, this is a predefined function. If any error if you do, okay, it will show the numbers also. Okay, the in 10th line some error is there. 11th line some error is there, like that it will show. Okay, that is the advantage with Notepad++, and even Visual Studio also is good, but I am not good with Visual Studio. I like Unit, this one, Notepad++. Okay, that's why I installed. Clear, everybody? Okay, you can use anything. Okay, you ask me doubts. Okay, any coding doubts, I'll okay, clarify it. So these are all the codes. I'll make you easy. That's what I'm saying. I'll make you easy. Okay, so all the shortcuts I'll tell you. Com Compulsory. Compul Compulsory. Because C hash, C hash, C hash, C hash coding we have to use. Okay, C because only C hash, only C hash. Okay, understood this one. And one more point. One more point. So here errors will show. This console is a console, so all the errors will show. So you should make the habit of reading these errors. Okay, you should make the habit of reading these errors. Okay, so clear. When you press this button, that errors will generate. This play button is a when you press this button, okay, any coding problem is there, it will start generating that. See, some euphoria initialized. Okay, it's not error, it's saying it's initialized, the log it's writing. Okay, so then close it. But in the new project, okay, in the new project, one error is there. That is called GUI text error. I click this one after installing standard asset. Sorry. Okay, console. Okay, there is no error. Uh, One second. So in- I'm going to asset store. Sorry, I'm going to package manager. Sorry, I'm going to package manager. Package manager is this window, very important window. Okay, in this you click here Unity registry, check it. You click here in projects, check it. You click here my asset, check it. Okay, and built in also four different types are there. Na? See, built in. These are built in things. Okay, you can't remove it. Okay, this is my asset. My asset means there we added na, that list will come, big list will come. Some are already imported, some are not imported. Okay, so this is import button, this is a download button. Okay, see, this is update. So new thing came, you update it. Okay, this is AR/VR thing. Okay, hand painted grass flower pack. This is really nice. This one, but a flooded one thing is a flooded ground, so it will give one error. It's really nice. Okay, this one images. What are the props are there, right? But only one error will come. That if you rectify it, it's really awesome. That's what I'm telling you. That's what I'm telling you. Okay, first after this, I want to download that standard asset. Okay, standard asset. Okay, so Unity registry standard asset. One second. In projects, it is there. Standard asset. No. My asset in my asset. Flooded grounds. Yes, yes. Standard. Right. Yes, standard asset is there. Na? So this one I'm importing. This standard asset. Go to asset store and type it standard asset. STANDARD standard asset. For terrains and all compulsory in India. This one. Okay, this is the first thing you have to download. Free. This one. It will be like this. It will be like this. Okay, standard asset. Compulsory you have to download. This is the first thing you have to do. Okay, it's downloaded and I'm importing into my project, into this new project. Importing, it will take some time. See, all the classes it will be like this only. It is importing, taking time like this. Okay, while you are doing also like this, patience should be there because everything ready things are there. Let it download. I'll generate a error and I'll show you how to rectify it. But I'll give the suggestions also to you. Wait. Yeah. So standard asset imported. Clear and clear all the errors. It is showing one error. See this? Okay. So I'm creating a terrain. Okay, simply a terrain. Okay, I'll render. So it's showing, see, all compile errors have to be fixed before you can enter play mode. It is giving error, right? So go to console. This is the error it is showing. GUI text is absolute. Okay. So one thing is, if your faculty is there, he will resolve. But every time keep on coming errors. Okay, errors will come every time. Different types of errors will come. And how many errors? Thousands of errors will come because everything is code based, na? Whenever you import a different package, errors will come. So what you'll do? It is called the GUI text is absolute. Okay, GUI text error you can type. Okay, so two places you can type. One is Google GUI text. First put Unity GUI text is absolute. Okay, standard asset. This is step by step. Okay, they will tell you how to do that. Step by step, they will tell you how to do that. This is one method. Even easier method is go to YouTube, GUI text for first Unity. Sorry, because you have to tell which platform you are doing it. GUI text error. Okay, if you are not getting in Unity, you will get here. You will get in Google. Okay, so GUI text error. See, it is showing GUI text error. How to fix it? Understood? Configuration, okay, you have to take care. Okay, this is must and should you have to do. One is YouTube, one is Google. Okay, clear how to error rectify. So now I know this one, how to rectify it. So double click on this one, you will open. Okay, what is the problem? Okay, this is a problem here. GUI text is enough, this is a problem. So remove the GUI, one thing, and you should add this space, namespace is in a dot UI. Okay, capital letter. Okay, Unity engine dot UI. So now Control S, save, and come here. It is calculating. Wait, it's calculating. Wait. Okay, then clear. So it's gone. Then now play. It's working. Understood? Understood? Okay. So you can ask how to rectify that error. Okay. Okay. So some of the errors I know, maybe some 100 errors I know, okay, because thousands of errors are there. How to rectify, okay, errors? Whichever packages I used, I know only those. I'm saying clearly. Okay, one more time. Whichever packages I'm using now, only those errors I know. Okay, but different packages will come, different errors will come. That I don't know. Even I will also search here and I'll do it. Okay, here I'll search and here I'll search and I'll do it. Clear? Everybody, you have to follow the same thing. Okay, so in these classes I took so many batches. Okay, and what are the errors will come, that I know. Okay, and some games I did, some of the 2D and 3D games I did, like AR VR projects I did, those errors I know. Apart from that, any new error will come, even I will also search. Clear? I am saying clear. Okay, the problem solving skill should be there for everybody. Clear? Okay. So, but how to solve? I told you, and suggestions also I had given you. Someone asked you some question. Wait. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear, sir. You can unmute it and you can talk, ma'am. Okay, Jyoti, ma'am, and Vasudha, ma'am. Okay, you can talk. Okay, anytime I can answer you. It's a two-side class. Okay, you can interact. It's a okay. Game is a film actually. Game is a film. It's an interactive film. Understood? In the storytelling, it's a storytelling game. Is a storytelling. If you take left side, PUBG. If you take left side, one story will happen. If you take right side, another story will happen. If you killed one person, one story will happen. If the other person will kill you, another story will happen. It's a story only. It's a film only, but interactive film. Okay, first day of game designers, they have to understand this. Okay, it's a film only, but live action film in theaters they will do now. Only they will play. We will okay. We'll what you call sit silently and we'll watch, right? But, but here it's not like that. They'll give you some controllers to you to hand and control the character. Like that they'll say, okay, move left, move right, jump. Okay, we have to ascend that. So this is also a film, but interactive film. Fix in this also story will be there. Okay, so that story we have to create it. So one is collecting the coins, one is reaching the destination, one is killing the people. So some 10 villains will be there, 10 creatures or 10 villains will be there. We'll kill 10 people and we'll okay, finish the game level. That's it. If others will kill us, story ends. If we will kill them, story ends. Understood? Level, then we'll go to level 2 or that is the end of the story. Understood? So this one you should understand. Yeah. Okay. So I had given all my suggestions to you. Right. Okay. Texturing, see, texture adding is so easy. Even materials are Blinn, Lambert, what you call anisotrope, Fongy. This type of materials are there here. Yes, only one material. In that only everything is there. Okay. PBR means physical based rendering materials are there. Okay. That is you having one more class PBR. PBR is there. You know, right? You know. Okay, even PBR is there. Without PBR means this normal material like Blinn, Fongy, this type of materials also there. Sir, can I give bump to this? Yes, in material you can do that. Okay, so new folder, create new material. Okay, so drag drop onto this. Okay, drag drop onto this. Then this texture. For 1 second, I will move this texture into that new folder. Okay, so here color is an albedo. Albedo means it's a color. Okay, here we should drag drop. Yeah, you got that for color. Then normal map is the same thing. I'll drag drop here, so you will get that bump. Okay, understood? So easy. It's not so difficult. Okay, very easy. See this how depth is that bumps came. Okay, and faster also, so faster. Clear? This one? Okay. So then the work process I told you importing on one more. Okay, asset. So any character you're importing, any set you're importing from Max or Maya. Okay, first you should create a folder. Okay, in assets, you should create a folder and import into that. Otherwise, outside it will be messed up, totally messed up. Okay, so once it is messed up, it's very difficult to handle. Okay, the day one itself, I'm saying create folders properly. Okay, organize it properly in this section and import into that only. One character, one folder, another character, another folder, one background, another folder, castle, another folder. Okay, any tree is there, another folder, water is there, another folder, like that. Organize it properly because thousands of things it will import will come while making a movie. Clear? Even sounds. Okay, sounds also one folder. Okay, see this. Okay, I imported sound also. Okay, again keep it properly. Okay, organize it because sounds also needed now. It's a film, right? Editing, everything will happen here only. Okay, this is fine. Then from asset store you are importing. From asset store you are importing, that is simply an asset. But from 3ds Max and Maya you are importing, that is called prefab. Prefab. Okay, so prefab means blue color will be there. See this blue color is another this one. This is prefab, but this is no blue color. So sir, how to yeah, outside. So this cube I am dragging drop here. Now it became prefab. Okay, so before it is not prefab. It's an what you call inbuilt object of a Unity before. But once you drag drop to asset folder, it become prefab. Prefabs are heavy. Prefabs are heavy compared to inbuilt assets. Understood? Prefab. Prefab means it is an outside model. It's an means outside the Unity you are importing from folder. You are importing from here to you are here importing. That is called prefabs. Okay. Prefabs are heavy because it will create one more polygon and it will take it as an input. Okay. But inbuilt things are lightweight. And lightweight means it don't hang. Clear? Okay. So the blue color things are prefabs. That is one thing you have to keep in mind. Everybody, everybody same interest. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
If you put
Yes, sir.
little bit effort, I'll make you as a gamer. Okay. Gamers means not game players, game creators. Okay. Just little bit of efforts for next class. Just install Hub, install Unity for next class. Okay. Then install a standard asset. Then create a sphere, cube, capsule, all these things. Okay. For the next class. Okay, then check all these things, and I will tell you next things, and you will get also some doubts. Sir, this is not working. Sir, that is not working. You will also get some doubts. I will rectify. Understood? Uh, one more thing. One more thing. Organization. I told organizing how to organize, and whatever imported you imported from asset store also it will be there here. Fantasy Sky. Okay. So open it. Materials. Okay. This is all Fantasy Skies. Okay, but don't drag drop from here. For skies you have to do it from here. Rendering, lighting from here you have to do. There is a procedure for everything, different. Okay, one you have to drag drop here, one you have to drag drop right side, one you have to view from lighting, one from main camera, go here and connect. Okay, there are different things are there. Clear? Okay. New features maybe they'll add even easier they'll do, especially I'll tell you okay my experience. Last version 19 to 2022, okay, I'll get some problems for me while doing. Again I'll go back to 19, I'll come back to 2020, some little bit wrong, especially in AR VR they are adding even more advanced things. Okay, ready made things they are adding AR VR. Okay, so this working the basic working style is same for any software, any version. Basic working style is same. Okay, the new concepts are coming up. They are adding that one new features. Okay, but check it. What is the new feature in Maya? What is the new feature in Unity? You check it. Okay, new FEATURS features in Maya. How much? 2023. 2023. Okay, so it's very interesting one. You can see here this type of things. 2023 in Maya, this type of thing, very interesting. Then check it. What is the new features in Unity 2021? Okay, every version they'll change. Okay, here 2021.2. Then check 3ds Max. I'll watch sometimes relaxed for relaxation sake I'll watch even any new surprising thing is then even I'll also get a shock. Oh my god, this type of thing they added like that. Okay, 3ds Max 2023. See, any new things they'll add, new features, all new features. By seeing that, oh, they made it so easy, super good. Okay, so I'll also feel like that, but I don't know. So Unity new features, I don't know. But what are the things I am doing last that are there? But sometimes I need 2018 and 2019. That's why I installed 2019, especially for AR/VR. Okay, in that XR. Okay, here preference project setting. These two also very important. Sir, you didn't told you one thing. Okay, what is that? How to render this one to mobile phone? How to render this one to PC as a game? Okay, file, build settings, build and run, build settings. Okay, this is an interesting window here. Okay, PC, Mac, and Linux. Okay, build and run. Android, switch platform, build and run. You should add the scene here. So many scenes will add 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. So many will be there. Okay, we'll add and we'll write to directly to mobile phone.
Sir, when we do the packages for Android, will it add all the SDK files as well?
Packages.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
package. Yeah, sure. It'll add. Okay, Android. It will say importing on. It will say it is not suitable for Android like that. These
Okay.
all packages will be added. These are ancestor packages. Now you are saying.
Yeah, yes, sir. That Android packages that need to be
Yeah,
added.
this one will be added. But XR if you are typing, suppose. Okay, XR. XR means extended reality.
Yes, yes.
These things you need a Quest Hive, what do you call Oculus Quest? Oculus Quest. 29,000, 30,000.
Okay.
This one, Oculus Quest. One HTC Vive. HTC Vive.
Actually, which is
Hmm.
actually Unity is best for iOS only, no, sir.
Both. I like Android. I like iOS also. Okay.
No, sir. I'm just asking, like, is Unity is only best for iOS, right, sir?
No, both. Even I am taking output for Android only because my mobile phone is Android only. Okay.
Okay.
But
Okay.
one of my student is using iOS and he is rendering to iOS. He is checking, okay, what are the errors he will get now, he will solve and he will render to iOS. Both are same. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
But iOS little bit errors and process are different. Android errors and process is different. Easy only. See, okay, don't feel it as difficult. Just keep my mobile phone number will come here if I connect. Okay, so just render, build and run. That's it. Okay, I'll show you while rendering. I'll show you how to do that. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so universal platform, any Microsoft it will work. PS4, okay, then TV OS, Xbox One, WebGL, PS5, iOS, Android, and PC. I did for PC, I did for Android, iOS I didn't try till now. But students and one of my sir is there, one more sir is there, my junior colleague. Okay, he will also do iOS. He did, and student he did. So then, okay, Android I will do. Okay, clear? In canvas here canvas is in a UI canvas. It will take by default. These things will take by default. Okay, so PC mouse button it will take, mouse button clicks and left arrow mark, right arrow mark, space for jump, or Q for jump will give, Q for weapon changing also will give maximum time, shift for run will give. Okay, normal walk to space for jump, Q for weapon changing, Q. Okay, otherwise 5 button is one more sense.
Basically, those control settings, or we have to give them in the program. So,
Now you asked the right thing. So creating backgrounds, importing character, texturing, lighting, everything is easy here. Everything is easy. Okay. So only that animation integration is the little bit tricky here. There. Animation you should bring from Max and Maya. That is for sure. Okay. All types of run, simple walk you have to bring, run you have to bring, jump you have to bring. Then ideal you have to bring. Ideal means he's standing simply waiting for some people. Hmm. That's what. These are all the things you have to import. One is ideal, walk, run, jump, weapon change. Okay, so long jump. If you have any different type of jumps, okay, you have to take it. Then any what do you call the land smash? That Hulk smash will be then. That type of thing, any special type of things are there, you have to bring all those things. Okay, then connecting is a tricky part here. This animation connection is that is a tricky part. Remaining everything is easy here. Okay, that even in this place also I will tell you my suggestions and tricks. Okay, I'll make you easy. I'll try to make you easy. Clear? Okay, understood? Okay, so this is what I think today too much. Install it. Next class while coming, please come with after installation, check everything. Come with some doubts. Okay, we'll rectify it and explore this asset store. Okay, whatever things you want, import. Okay, so explore this asset store. So many beautiful things are there. Even for movie you can use. I'm saying you my suggestion I'm giving to you. Even movies, if you use them, mesmerizing backgrounds you will get for movie. Okay, and Mandalorian they'll use Unreal, not Unity. Mandalorian, movie making. Mandalorian movie making. They are using Unreal. Why they are not using Unity, I don't know. But both you can do. But maximum Unreal only they are using this Mandalorian. Even Shankar also he tried, na?
Say goodbye not to the dress but to your belly fat with green tea. It's scientifically proven to reduce belly fat. Lipton green tea. Make it a habit.
This one. This background is it's done in 3D software. This is a LED display. Already background is set. Even the light will also fall onto that character. Okay.
So these are done in Unreal Engine, right, sir?
Unreal. They are using Unreal, and they are asking for Unreal artist only, not Unity artist. Why only Unreal? Movie making, gaming, even Unity you can use it for movie making. That's what I'm saying. You 2D animation, 3D animation, you can crack into a different way. You can think out of the box. Don't think only for gaming. Think it for puzzle making. You can make good business. Okay, puzzle making, AR, VR, so many things you can do. AR, VR, movie making, 2D animation, so mesmerizing backgrounds you'll get. Okay, colorful movies you can do. That's what I'm saying. I'll show one. What is it? Studio Ghibli, na? Studio Ghibli BGs. These BGs are there, na? These BGs within half an hour you can create. This BGs in Unity. Only half an hour. Only half. Even more beautiful than this, you can create BGs within half an hour. This one that I shown the flooded flowers one package. Okay, this one is there. This is there. Water, everything is there. Within half an hour or 15 minutes only you can do it. This BG, even including clouds, including tree, flower animation, everything together. Okay, that's what I'm saying. Think in a different way. Use Unity for different purpose. One more advantage with Unity, I'll tell you. Your Max and Maya rendering time will take more rendering time, but Unity it will give faster output, very faster output. For that cycle, so do all the modeling, texturing, lighting in Max and Maya. Bring all those things to Unity and render here. Okay, even 4K you can render in 1 minute. 4K videos also. 1 minute. Occlusion pass, everything you can render in within 1 minute. There it will take 5 days time, 5 days or 10 days time for 4K. Okay, here it will 1 minute only. Do 1 minute to 5 minutes. Think.
Get the same quality as Maya, sir, in rendering?
More than that quality. Fog, mist, everything is there here. Okay, everyone is using studios. All studios are using. Okay, that's what I'm saying. Even I am also using this one for rendering. Do modeling, texturing, whatever things you are showing, whatever things you want to do there. Bring here on texture again. Connect all the texture here. Lighting, do it here. Render it. That's it. Understood?
Yes.
Finally, client wants good quality and fast output. Client wants only two things. One is first place is quality. Second place is fast. Okay, we will do that. Right? Okay. So I'm stopping here. It's too much today. I had given you assignments. Do all these assignments. Okay. Just give a little bit of effort. 50% or 60% effort. I'll make as a game making artist. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
TTS 10 o'clock. Everybody. TTS. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 10 o'clock. Okay, even you will come early also, I won't talk because so many students, people are there. Okay, but 10 o'clock I'll start talking to you. Clear? Everybody? Don't feel bad. Okay, after 10 o'clock I'll start talking to you. Or link I'll send before only. 5-10 minutes before only I'll send to you. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.